I'll guide you through how to securely send large files and folders online without hitting attachment limits or facing complex setup challenges. If you're looking to transfer large files via email, such as Gmail or Outlook, WhatsApp, Google Drive, or specialized file transfer apps, and need to find the best, free, and secure online file transfer option, then this tutorial will guide you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Before uploading files using any method, it's ideal to compress them so that you can reduce the total size of the transfer, speed up upload times, and easily bundle an entire large folder into a single manageable unit. To view this, right-click on your folder and choose Compress or Send to Compress zipped folder. This bundles all the files into a single manageable zip or 7Z archive. This is the first step for effective file sharing. Also, it's recommended to encrypt files being sent over the internet for security purposes. Encryption scrambles your sensitive data into an unreadable format, ensuring that only the intended recipient can decrypt and access your content. You will need a dedicated tool such as 7-Zip or WinRAR to create a password-protected zip archive. This is an essential security step. Even if the transfer link is intercepted or shared, the recipient still needs the password you send them via a separate channel like a text message to access the contents. With the large file compressed and encrypted, it's time to send it away. Start by uploading the archive to your preferred cloud service like Google Drive for Gmail or OneDrive for Outlook. The secret is simple. You aren't actually attaching the file to the email because they have size limits. You're using the email as a secure delivery service for the file's download link, which is hosted in the cloud. This is the official and most secure answer to where to send large files when using email. Here's how to master cloud-integrated file sharing, starting with Outlook, using OneDrive. Microsoft Outlook Office 365 services operate exactly like Gmail, leveraging OneDrive or SharePoint for business accounts as the underlying file hosting service to bypass the email size restrictions, typically around 20 megabytes. To begin, open Outlook and click New Email. Click the Attach File button, the paperclip icon. When the menu appears, choose Browse Cloud Locations or simply select OneDrive from the list. Navigate to your OneDrive folder, select the encrypted compressed large file, and click Next. Outlook will prompt you to choose how you want to share the file. Select Share as OneDrive link. This sends a pointer to the file, saving space in your mailbox and ensuring they get the latest version of the large data. Complete your email and click Send. The recipient receives the email with the file link embedded, ready for download. We have other videos dedicated to how to send large files using WhatsApp, Google Drive, and specialized file transfer apps like Smash or WeTransfer. Now that you've learned how to conduct free and secure online file transfer, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more file management video tutorials. Thanks for watching.